Good morning, children. Yesterday we have learnt about magnet, right? Today we are going to study the next subtopic, that is magnetic field and field lines. Okay? Magnetic field and field lines. Three subtopics we are going to study under this. That is, what is magnetic field, what is magnetic field lines, and then characteristics of magnetic field lines. All the three are very important. Okay? With the help of an activity, we will study the first one, that is magnetic field. What is magnetic field? Okay, to study that activity, I am taking a bar magnet like this. See, one north pole and one south pole. Usually, it will be written as north and south, but in some cases, there will be a dot in the north pole. Then we should understand that the pole where a dot is, that is called as north pole, and the other one is south pole. Okay. Coming to this activity, now I have taken a bar magnet like this. What are things needed? First, I should take a drawing board. Okay, first thing is one drawing board I have taken. Then the second one is one sheet of paper, and then one compass, magnetic compass, and one bar magnet, magnetic compass, then bar magnet. And you should also take iron filings. Most of the times children used to pronounce it as fillings, and they used to write it as fillings. You should take it as iron filings. Iron filings means that small dust like thing. Okay, iron dust. It is called as iron filings. It is not filling. Okay, that mistake should not come. So these are the things I have taken, and then we will start the activity. I took a drawing board now. In the drawing board I have kept the sheet, white color sheet, and in the center I have kept the bar magnet. Now I am sprinkling some iron filings on this. Okay, sprinkling some iron filings on this, and I am just tapping that. What happens? Any idea what happens? Yes, they will align in a pattern. Okay, who will align in a pattern? All the iron filings will go, and they will see, when you are sprinkling like this, I will not show any pattern. I am just sprinkling like this. Okay, just I am sprinkling with the sprinkler. I am sprinkling. If when I tap like this, all the iron filings will go and they will make one pattern. They will align and they will make a pattern. So the iron filings are arranged in a pattern. Why? There is a question now. From this we are going to study what is magnetic field and magnetic field lines. So something has happened here. There is a force of attraction. No, there is a force. Because of that force only all the things are coming and aligning here. But there is a pattern. The region surrounding a magnet in which the force of the magnet can be detected is called the magnetic field. It's very important. Note it down. The region surrounding a magnet in which the force of the magnet can be detected is called as what? Magnetic field. It can be asked for 1 mark, 2 marks, or it can be asked in MCQs also. So the region which is surrounding a magnet in which the force of the magnet can be detected is called as magnetic field. We should also study the other thing, no? Magnetic field lines. The lines along which the iron filings align. The lines along which they align is called as magnetic field lines. Okay, so two definitions you have studied now. What is magnetic field? The region which is surrounding a magnet in which the force of the magnet, there is a force. Can you see the lines? No, you can't see that. They are imaginary lines. Okay. So the region surrounding a magnet in which the force of a magnet can be detected is called as magnetic field. That is one question. The line along which the iron filings are aligned, no, they are called as magnetic field lines. Two questions we have studied. Is there any other way of obtaining magnetic field lines? With this activity we have studied that we can find the magnetic field. Is there any other way? One more activity we are going to see. To do this activity, I have taken a magnet on north and south pole. See, I have mentioned north and south pole. And I have taken one magnetic compass here. I didn't use it, no? We will use it here. Okay? One magnetic compass I am taking and I am keeping it in the north pole. Okay? I am keeping the magnetic compass in the north pole. One needle will be there in the middle. Have you seen this one? Compass, magnetic compass. Okay, I am keeping it in the north pole. When you keep like this, no, the needle will align like this. See, it will align like this. So, with the help of a pencil, you will just point it out like this. One point you will put and you will take away the magnetic compass and you will mark it as A. Then again, you will keep the magnetic compass here on that point. When you keep like that, no, this alignment will be like this. So, you will mark it as B. Like that, you keep continuing. You keep here, then you keep here, then you keep here. Wherever it is showing, no, there you should keep the compass. See, when it is aligned like this, you will keep and mark it as C. So, the needle is like this, no? So, this side you should keep the magnetic compass. And this you mark it as D. And then again it will align like that. And then you are keeping the magnet like this, compass like that. You will mark it as E. And then it is showing like this, no? So, here you will keep the magnetic compass. The alignment will be like this. So, you will mark it as F. Then again you will keep the magnet G. Again if you keep, no, where will it come? It will come and reach the south pole. So, from north pole you are getting a point in the south pole. The path is like this. So, it is like a curve, no? See here? It's a curve. This is called as what? Which curve? Like this curves are formed and that is called as field lines, magnetic field lines. The next question what we are going to study is characteristics of magnetic field lines. All the 4 points are very important. In most of the question papers, this question will be there. What are the characteristics of magnetic field lines? You should draw the diagram and also you should explain. Okay. So, now magnetic field lines. So, characteristics of magnetic field lines. You will draw the diagram. How you will draw? First, you will keep the magnet like this. Okay. You will keep the bar magnet. North here and south here. Okay. Same like this. See, the first point what we have we are going to study is magnetic field is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Okay. It's a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. That is the first point. Second point, the magnetic field lines, they emerge from north pole. See, they emerge from north pole and they will come and join in the south pole. Same thing. When you draw like this, no, immediately you should put one arrow. It is very important. Without arrow marks, you will not get marks. Okay. So, they emerge from north pole following a closed curve and then enters the south pole. So, from north it is coming to south. It is outside. Okay. Same like this, you will be getting many. Like this it will come. Down also from north to south. Outside always it is from north to south. So, as soon as you draw this, you should put the arrow from north to south. From north to south. Okay. From north to south it should go like this. They emerge from north pole following a curved path and enters the south pole. Outside it is like this. What happens inside? Inside they move from south to north. So, when you are drawing like this, no, see here? It should come like this. So, where will you put the arrow? You will put the arrow like this. And here also you should put like this. From south to north. This arrow, if you see, the outside it is from north to south and inside it is from south to north. Like this, many will go. Okay, so arrows are very important. This diagram and then you should write this. They emerge from North Pole following a closed path, curved path, and then enters the South Pole. Inside they move from south to north. So what is formed? They are forming a closed curve. Right? A closed curve is formed. Same like that, here also many curves will be formed. Okay, they form closed curves. The two lines of force, this is very important, they never intersect each other. Is there any intersection? No, they never intersect each other. That is the third point. Fourth point, near the magnetic poles, if you see, if you bring a magnetic compass near the pole, the field is strong compared to that of the, if you keep the magnetic compass here, the deflection will be fast. But if you keep it here, no, it will be slow. It means that the field is stronger near the poles and it is weak near the, when it comes far. Okay, so 4 important points. Magnetic field is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Repeat with me. Magnetic field is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. They emerge from North Pole. It is very important. They emerge from North Pole following a closed path or a curved path and then enters the South Pole. They emerge from North Pole outside following a curved path and enters the South Pole. That is outside. Inside they move from south to north. Okay, imaginary lines, but they move from south to north. So thus they are closed curves. See, they are forming closed curves. The third point is they never intersect each other. The two lines of force, they never intersect each other. Fourth point, near the magnetic poles, what will be more? The strength will be more. They are stronger near the poles and weaker when they come far. So 3 questions we are studying in this subtopic. What is magnetic field with the help of an activity? Magnetic field lines, and then we are also studying any other way of obtaining magnetic field lines. This activity will be explaining. And third one is characteristics of magnetic field lines. You should draw this diagram and you should write all the 4 points. Okay. We have completed the second subtopic. Okay. Bye.